Hi everyone. So I've never tried stand-up comedy before, but I'm going to try it today while also teaching you about reflexive and emphatic pronouns. What could be funnier than that?
English lessons.
So recently I went to the airport and they have this new bag scanning system. You have to do everything yourself. I have to book my flight myself, take myself to the airport, and then check in my bag myself. They should be paying me. Let's pause there for a second. Did you notice what I did? Apart from my brilliant comedy show, I used the word myself and yourself. Myself and yourself are reflexive and emphatic pronouns. These also include herself, himself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Did you notice that for the plural, the F at the end changes to VES? You do it yourself. I was talking about checking your bag in at the airport. With the new system, the passenger does this, not the airport. So I used yourself and myself to show that the object and the subject in the sentence are the same. You do it for you. I did it for myself. Other reflexive pronouns I used were I booked my flight myself because I did that with my computer, and I take myself to the airport. Do you think I got a taxi or did I drive there? I drove myself to the airport. Notice the position of the pronoun. It's do something yourself. So the pronoun is placed after the verb or verb phrase. I myself have to check in my bag. In the sentence, I myself have to check in my bag, the word myself is used for emphasis. So notice the position of the pronoun here. It comes directly after the subject because I'm emphasizing that I am the one who did this. Let's watch the next part of the comedy show and see if you can spot the reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Remember, they all end with self or selves. They should be paying me. Next, they'll want me to fly the plane myself as well. So let's go back to that airport. Remember, I was talking about this new self-check-in system. So I have to check in the bag myself, weigh the bag myself, tag the bag myself, scan my passport myself. Since when do the passengers themselves have to do the work of the airline? I thought it was going on holiday, not getting a second job. Tough crowd. Did you spot them? How many were there? I said, fly the plane myself, scan my passport myself, tag the bag myself, weigh the suitcase myself. So that's 4 reflexive pronouns. Why did I use these reflexive pronouns? I wanted to show that these were actions I'm doing for me. Then I added, since when did the passengers themselves have to do the work of the airline? That was an emphatic pronoun. Why did I use that here? I wanted to emphasize that it's the passengers doing the work when I think it should be the airline. So give us a like and subscribe if you understand how to use reflexive and emphatic pronouns better now. How do you think I did at my first comedy show? Pretty good, hey?